Welcome back guys, and in this video, suppose you are here and you are wanting to book a cab in another city. So what will you do? In this video I am going to cover, and this is only for those people who are not knowing how to book a cab using mobile. So if they have never used, then this video is for them. Please go through this video till last point. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So if suppose you are here in Delhi and you want to book a cab in Bangalore, then what you need to do? First you have that app, so go to the Play Store and book, and then download, search for Ola, then install it. It has installed. Now open it. It is opening now. You have to first register it. Continue with phone number. You have to here enter your number, then OTP will come. I have entered number, then OTP has come. Now you have to give your name. I am writing here technical, and then I will give. So now it will be, I have entered that email ID. It is coming, welcome to Ola. Location, phone it wanting to know, just allow it while using the app, then yes, allow, then you can skip this. Now it has come. So if you want to book a ride in Bangalore while you are in Delhi, then just go and type Bangalore where from one place to another railway station by Bangalore, suppose this, and then it will ask where Skyway exit or Bangalore, suppose Bangalore, confirm location. You can book for another contact, and you can give that, allow it. Then it will ask for select contact for whom you wanted to book. Select the contact for which for whom you wanted to book. Then it will ask destination. You can give destination, suppose international airport. Now it will tell what you want to book. Just you select what you want to book: mini, prime, SUV, and pay. Book any. Book any. You can. For UPI, if you do not know how to pay through UPI, I will tell you in another video. Please write that into comment that you want that video. So this video is for those people who are not knowing how to book Ola in different location. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys.